Hey, I know you're mostly working on large solar parks. Not sure what your experience or your know-how is with the rooftop systems. A question I'm asked really often is, what happens if the house burns, and do the firemen, do they get electric shock executed? Can you enlighten us? What's the situation?
Yeah, so I mean, I was involved in some research years back, which was also working together with the fire guards of Munich, because in particular in Germany, there was a big discussion about, if I have a solar system, the fire guards will let my house burn down because they're afraid to go in. And so there was a lot of miscommunication also in the public press. In fact, one issue that some legislations or countries might have is that if you go to a small village, the local fireman is probably rest of the week, he might be, the mayor or the baker or whatever, and it's a voluntary side job. And maybe once or twice a year, they have to work on a big fire. And then the number of solar they had seen in their life might have been very limited. And there was some uncertainty. But the fire guards had received all the training. There is really basics that they need to understand. And one thing is to know there is a solar system and ideally know where the cables go. But I have been certain that there is no fire that the fire guards will just stand by and watch. There might be situations where they will be hesitant to go inside, because life safety is always coming first. But things in the regulations have changed also with distances on the roof, so they can enter through the roof when there is a fire and so on. So nowadays that is not so much of an issue anymore.